इतकं इंग्लिश नसते लिहत रे.
1, 2, 3, 4.
In this world had been able to break because SRK is always busy. The first one was zebra.
Welcome to Hawaii Hotel.
So my name is Rohan and I welcome all of you to Safarnama chapter 4. Successfully completed 3 chapters and this is the 4th one.
So the thing is that just adding more introduction to Safarnama. So when we were creating this, it was not about the activities. Us to also connect with ourselves, because when we are with people, we know how to talk to them, we know how to be around them. But when you're with strangers, you actually get to see another side of yourself as well.
My name is Harshita.
Anurag, I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh, I'm Soumya.
I'm Kavya.
Oh, my name is Prasanna Kamath.
So I'm Divya.
So मेरा नाम मयूर है.
I am from the creative industry.
Hyderabad is a strange place, really. There's nothing to do there.
Trying new things, uncomfortable things. This is one of them. Trying to speak to people. There's a lot of things in Chennai, malls, beaches, but I like temples, old temples especially, out of stone. So they're coldish there.
I am into writing, direction and producing movies. साइड बाय साइड मैं रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट भी हूँ. मैं ऑलरेडी एक मेरा PhD हो गया है. सोलर सेल में मैंने PhD किया है और अभी मैं दूसरी PhD कर रहा हूँ साइड बाय साइड.
And I love talking to people, and that's the main reason I asked I want to try this, because I love doing this. And apart from this, I love to dance.
If you do something that you don't typically do, you meet people whose lives are very different from yours. And I'm here to see the outcome of that experiment over the next few days. So cheers.
And Priyanka, come one side. एक तरफ आ जाओ पीछे. आप मुंबई जाओ.
प्रसन्ना
Moge with
Very much fun.
Okay. Gauri with Raj.
इधर दौड़ा है उधर दौड़ा है ये जीना यारों दौड़ा है कोई आगे है कोई पीछे है बस भागम भाग है दौड़ा है पैसों की है दौड़ गई प्यार के पीछे दौड़ गई अरे पैसों की है दौड़ गई प्यार के पीछे दौड़ गई बस
One, 2, 3, 4.
कोई आगे है कोई पीछे है बस भागम भाग है दौड़ है.
Can we go inside? No, sorry.
इतकं इंग्लिश नसते लिहत रे.
Maybe I'm judgmental, but it was nice to meet someone who has spoke perhaps the exact same language in this topic that I felt.
क्या बोला रही?
तेरे को कभी पता नहीं चलेगा. ये रात उसी के साथ मर जाएगा.
And I want to end with this one last bit that he also spoke about. There's something we shared in common. But why do we travel? Why are we here? Why do we travel? And I think he answered it, although it wasn't asked, but he answered that question in that we travel to readjust our biases and our prejudices. We travel so that we start with an idea कि ये ऐसा होगा, and then लगता है कि नहीं वो तो बिल्कुल ऐसा है.
most of the times we take a step back when it comes to being vulnerable. We shield ourselves there. So it's a great thing that we paused. Like we had the chance to pause here and express ourselves.
तमाशा मूवी में एक सीन है, वो एक पार्टी में जाता है और वो मेस्टअप रहता है, हमको पता रहता है, तो उसको कैजुअली जैसे हम पूछते हैं कि हाँ कैसे है तो एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर है ठीक हो। जब वो बात करना शुरू करता है तो वैसा था ही।
तो मुझे अच्छा लगा, मतलब कोई इतना पेशेंटली सुन रहा था मुझे, ठीक है। देन आई आस्क्ड सॉरी मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा बोल दिया तो या इट फेल्ट नाइस, समवन इज लिसनिंग टू यू।
तो हम पहले पूछते हैं कि हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, तो ये टिपिकल आंसर ही आएगा एंड देन यू पॉज एंड यू आस्क हाउ आर यू रियली फीलिंग। उसके बाद जो निकलता है
मेरे को जब कोई ऐसा पूछता है तो मैं मन में बोलता हूँ भागेगा तो नहीं मेरे को लगा था, लेकिन पैर उसका ठीक नहीं तो भागा नहीं हुआ।
और कैरेक्टर्स वर
नो एनिमल्स
वर हार्म्ड इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट। देखने वाला बात है, वीडियो की निशाना उनका, इसलिए हमने जेब्रा भी लाया है। We haven't harmed.
कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब व्हाट डू यू फील? क्या
नाइस
मशीन जैसे लग रहा है? प्रिंट करो, आगे बढ़ो, प्रिंट करो।
ये स्टोरीज पे कोई मूवी बना दे, फिर मान लो।
वही ये
She had a spot for Shah Rukh Khan. For Shah Rukh Khan. She knew only thing that can make her stop was SRK meeting her and kissing her on the forehead.
अरे मैंने तो लिप पे कराया हुआ है।
This was a difficult one, which nobody in this world had been able to break because SRK is always busy. One more secret condition to this curse was SRK should be divorced or single. But he helped her to get out of the curse. But while kissing, he could sense that she was not completely into it.
The first one was zebra. Zebra had a power to convince any human, and they offered the food what zebra liked the most.
He was shocked and equally confused. He thought he was dreaming it. He pinched himself. No, it was not a dream. He came close to the creature and to make some meaning of it. He realized the creature was trying to say something, but he could not understand. He was so shocked that he couldn't know how to communicate with them. So Amitabh Bachchan opted for Lifeline. To change the options, he used 50-50. Now Bachchan was shocked. Bachchan was more shocked to see the remaining options. 3 all of the above, 4 none of the above. Oh my god. Then he decided to quit the show and offer Computer G the huge amount of 7 crores. Which created the history.
ट्रैवल तो हो जाता है हमेशा फैमिली के साथ एंड 24 आवर्स आई एम लिविंग विद देम ऑल्सो. लेकिन एज ए इंडिविजुअली मैं कैसी हूँ, हाउ डू आई रियली इंटरेक्ट विद पीपल, कैन आई मेक फ्रेंड्स. मतलब वो जब साथ में होते तो बात तो कर ही लेते हैं सबसे, पर मैं खुद से कुछ कर सकती हूँ या ट्रैवल भी मैंने अकेले बहुत साल बाद किया. सो इट वॉज फन.
तो आई वाज जस्ट शेयरिंग विद तानिया कि ऐसे लग रहा है क्या कुछ छूट रहा है, कुछ मिस हो रहा है. तो शायद और एक दिन चाहिए था बस ऐसे बैठ के सिर्फ नेचर देख रहे हैं. एंड
You're so colorful, you know. You have your quirks, you're all weird, you have personalities, and I like knowing that.
You also realize that you can be friends with someone you don't necessarily agree with. I don't want to. We don't need to take names, but you can be friends.
so even the food activity जब धीरा इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही थी, अब लाइक डाइनिंग टाइम पे क्या ही एक्टिविटी हो सकती है. फिर उन्होंने एक्टिविटी एक्सप्रेस किया. अब लाइक डीब्रीफ कैसे हो सकता है अभी इसको. But I think everything was put up so well.
Like every day it is increasing. Today how I'm talking to others, he really made.
Just see Abhishek, she's laughing, crying.
You made me emotionally cry. He made me हंसा के मुझे रुला दिया.
Usually when we dance and they switch to some other language, I'll still dance, but it wouldn't be that interesting. But here, the jamming session, I've never been to an experience like that before. I sat through the entire session.
Like the first day how we were, today the connection is more. How we are connected.
Connecting with you people on this level, it happens rarely. So मतलब that I will take from here, that I really made good connections, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिले, मतलब तो thank you.
I felt really comfortable here. Actually, a non-judgmental space.
Some of you go to the places that you want to get your dreams. That's for all of you. The places are for those of you who want to go to some places. I hope some of you rediscover your childhood passions. Sing, dance, teach, help people in need. And you never know, some corner of life, somewhere, we'll just bump into each other and share that luggage of memories that we're all going to carry together.
Thanks to all of you, like each and everyone.
This is a very unique experience and I'm very, very happy.
You said that you are the same person even when you are in the other outside world and even when you are here. You are the same person. But how is it different there and here? What I think is that here you allowed yourself to be that person. I think that is the only thing that has changed. And over there you do not allow yourself